I'm going on a road trip from Miami to Boston on a tight budget. This is my friend Jake. He said that I couldn't do a road trip from Miami to Boston spending less than $200. Here's how I'm gonna prove him wrong. This sucks. This challenge sucks. I don't want to do this anymore. Here are the things that I have to look out for on my $200 budget. First one being tolls. No way around it. I'm gonna have to just pay the freaking tolls. I have a little easy pass, so that cuts a little bit of cost down, but it's gonna cost 52 bucks. Number 2, sleep. I wish I could tell you I just sleep at a friend's house, but that's cheating. If I sleep at a hotel, that's gonna be a lot of money. So I'm really gonna have to just sleep in my car at a truck stop. Number 3, food. Your boy gets hungry, your boy gets thirsty, and your boy likes coffee. Number 4, gas. Gas is gonna suck. It's the big boy in the room. It's gonna cost the most. So I'm gonna have to drive smooth. Can't drive too fast, but I got a secret weapon. This is a 2014 Ford Fuge. It is a plug-in hybrid. Gets 40 miles to the gallon. This baby is smoking. What's up? I'm reporting live from a rest stop right outside of Daytona Beach, Florida. Driving north from Miami Beach to Boston. So I left around 2 p.m. Miami, and it's, what time is it? 6 p.m. So I've been driving for around 4 hours. This is my first stop. I just went to the bathroom, and I can already tell you, this sucks. This challenge sucks. I don't want to do this anymore, but whatever. It's 8:09 and I'm hungry. I don't have much of a budget for food, so I'm gonna keep it light, but this is my first time trying Checkers. We'll see if it's good. That was the worst meal I've had in my entire life. I thought, oh my God, I'm spending $9.58 on this trash meal. This is my 3rd official stop. I'm in Richmond Hill, Georgia. I went to go fill up the tank of gas. Dude, it was only like 30 something bucks. I think I'm gonna freaking crush this. I had to switch from my sunglasses to my glasses. But anyways, to treat myself, I got a little Diet Coke and a sparkling water. $5.28. I'm getting a little cocky because this car can haul. I think this car's my secret weapon. I'm going to crush this. All right. I'll keep you updated. Oh, by the way, Checkers is awful. I'm at a rest stop somewhere in South Carolina. Santee. I don't know how to freaking pronounce it. Anyways, I was getting a little tired. It's about midnight. I'm going to try and take a little nap. I think we're doing pretty good. Yeah. Bathroom was all right. All right. I think we can get it going in the morning. All right. Peace out. All right, good morning. I report live from the border of North Carolina. I'm in North Carolina. The sleep was not that great, and I just filled up my tank of gas at Shell Station, and gas is a little bit more expensive than the other place. I think I'm cutting it close. I need a little coffee waffy. I had a little McDonald's. McDonald's coffee sucks, okay? I'm gonna need another coffee at Starbucks. But I'm cutting it real close because gas was pretty expensive here. A lot more expensive than the other places. All right. Instead of going to Starbucks, I took my money to Alchemy Coffee in Richmond, Virginia and spent $4.50. Now I have to pass through our nation's capital quickly because that DC traffic will get you. Okay, this is gonna be hopefully my last stop because I am in a rush to get past New York City before the traffic. And I need my last gas and maybe a quick bathroom break. All right. I don't need a full tank of gas. I only need half of it. So let's see what we got. That stop wasn't too pricey. Gas was the most expensive, but I didn't have to fill it up all the way to make it to Boston. Gas was $21.99. I also grabbed a sparkling water, Diet Coke, and a Pop-Tart. Spoiler alert, the Pop-Tart was not worth it. The total was $9.40. Traffic was bad in New York City, but I made it to Boston. Let's total this trip up, baby. Tolls ended up being $52. Stopping at rest stops was free, but it did suck. I'm 6'5" and sleeping in the car kind of sucked. Anyways, For food, drink, and coffee, I ended up stopping 5 times for a grand total of $38.01. I also grabbed a $10 Mega Million tickets just because. Gas, the big boy, ended up costing $95.14 for a grand total road trip cost of $195.15. I won. Bye.